Baby, your pussy good, duh. Just wine for me hood. Me say, set you like time, then you take for me. Your body look thick, but you fit for me. Me say, that's alright, me no worry about it. Nah, because me know you never love nobody. Hear me say, now the guys of vice president or representative. You don't know, pretty girl storm. You don't have to big up yourself, baby. You see me? Hear me say, Tanya. You don't know, me not have to forget. You see me? Gangster Dan, big up yourself, mama. Far gone, up move. Gaza represents sick at the VP. $10. This is a lady of 64.
Use a blood clot scammer. You don't know nothing about the woman. Yan Duisha. Duisha go and work it so him come back and cash some money. Can thief still on the money and go Jamaica and thief the 100 grand. Yan him live off a whole of salon the money. He could even face salon when in the Jamaica and look on salon. Poor salon, he couldn't even face salon. All him did I do I get some views when he's a blood clot thief and scammer.
You know how that can be when we have our things and we lost it. So just
you're damn right. The people them know how that can be. When them have them hard working money and somebody like you scam it and thief it. You're damn fucking right, scammer.
The materials, please, I'm asking you.
Please, my blood clot. He's a scammer. That woman and I want no blood clot money to make you a big fear. You must be mad. You's a thief. But do you a favor. You do me a favor. And guys, you look a blood clot, ugly face. I want that. I want to die that in our head.
We can do it. We are all Jamaicans and we know what it is.
With the blood clot.
When somebody reach out,
she really a come up in the scamming game. Oh, we Jamaican. How the blood clot them loose up me here. Woman, are you titty them that? How the blood clot that? How the blood clot? How the blood that? Watch ya. Is a string of hang down them titty right here so them just go the bumper ass clot a go on. Is a blood clot string here so now have nothing at the titty. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. You know what's up here? Wibble up mark the right there so you never ask Christ. Nothing at blood clot. All of the meat them gone down here so. So you know yes at the bumper clot. How will they fuck this boy? You are big money.
Florida, for me not to tell them.
You titty die your blood clot near blast sit down on your big belly.
And guess what?
Look on her and I squeeze up her titty. Woman go wash out the roach egg them from under your titty.
And it's a man of unsound mind.
Look on you. You have unsound mind and you are big. You have unsound blood clot man and you are big. You know, sister, you mad. Papa and Dewey and page you come from and you really think you can scam the people them. Not even Miss Prudent. You could have blood clot scam. If Miss Prudent the catch in her real life should have beat you with a little stick. Should have beat her with a cane. And say get away with a blood clot cane. On his sad. Boy, you a scam.
And it's so sad.
Get away with a blood Jamaica back. Please what? Go wash under your breast. And that you forgot do.
Because I don't want to collect no.
You ain't collecting shit.
And
me I make sure that you a thief.
No money for nobody.
You're right. You well want to collect money. You're not collecting nothing at all.
Well, if persons willing to help, but they need more information, I can give you the.
So you can con them out.
She sent me the video. I spoke to them.
So you can blood click con them out.
In St. Elizabeth, New Market in St. Elizabeth. I'm not building any room. I'm just asking for a little contribution.
Use a blood clot scammer boy and ask a contribution. You shouldn't come online and ask no form of contribution. None.
And we can do the right thing.
You can do the right thing and use a thief.
They have a GoFundMe up already.
Use a blood clot thief and scammer. They may expect to get $1 in a blood clot GoFundMe. Not one blood clot dollar. If I you them put for be the fair side.
This is not 5 and a 10, just some cement, some black, because the list, the man was there today. And
Magnum PI, look on this scammer. mama.
Can you please message me it because you have a lot of things. Please, can you please
Use a thief. Oh, please.
send me that in my messenger?
Look at this crook. Look at this crook 360 family. Bosha post up for collect money. This look a blood clot thief, yeah. We go by the name of Kingston 13. Bosha put up list. Look at this crook. Use a thief Kingston 13. You think you're gonna get back half of the money like that and half a camera? Use a blood clot thief. You're the last person, you know nothing about blood clot building house crook. Use a thief when since you in a charity business. And when blood clot since, oh you get in a charity business crook.
Let me see if I can pin your comment.
Oh you get in a blood clot charity business.
Yes. So I will remember that. I will remember that to ask for the fire report. So you see, I didn't think of that because I saw the video, I spoke with the mother, I spoke with the daughter, and I asked a friend.
You don't need to talk to nobody. You don't get the blood clot people their money.
To investigate for me, and
she live at Curacao.
The only thing she told me that she told me this is the thing. I just want to be fair. She told me that she heard that the brother is
No people, come on now. Look at this blood clot thief here. Eh? She look on her blood clot gut. She needs somewhere to live. Look here. She can't afford curtain. Her blood clot house look like I wanted to take them over Ukraine. Eh? You live worse than the people in Afghanistan. War-torn country. Eh? You look like a blood clot recipient yourself. Look on you. I got that. You look what your titty them lay down pan. Look on you with your rotten foot. You don't even have food to eat. I pay a bullfrog. You have to catch and eat. A Curacao. I'm not lie. I pay a bullfrog and she pick up out of the garbage dump. A Curacao. And beg cigarette.